like it. Let me tweak it. What y'all girls call yourself doing? I mean, nothing, auntie. We just fooling around. I don't even know why y'all trying to pretend like y'all know that music. Y'all don't know nothing about that music. You wasn't even born when that music came out. Somebody don't. You know what, auntie? Don't you say nothing. No. I'm tired of this, okay? Oh, is that right? You know, just because we young, just because we wasn't born back then, don't mean we don't know good music. Just because I'm bad and bougie don't mean I can't stay in the rain. Just because I'm fine like Caroline don't mean I can't be Candy Girl. I'm sick of it. Cause yeah, we're young and our music and our generation has changed, but we still know good music, ain't it? And New Edition, that's good music. It don't take no TV show to tell us that. Now, right, Bianca? Now you ain't got nothing to say. Just saying. Well, you're right. But you need to get that note right. You was off key. Continue. Was I really off? Maybe a little bit. Just a little bit. Not a lot of bit. Just a little bit. Storms will come. Everybody loves them. That's where you need to be. I thought that was it. I thought that was it. No. Tell me, baby. Can you grunt it? Tell me, baby. Yep, that's it. I like that. Tell me, baby. Can